Welcome to the lecture on Introduction to Management Accounting. My name Dr. Devlipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith we are going to discuss Unit number 1, Introduction to Management Accounting. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 2nd, Semester 3, Compulsory Paper 1, Management Accounting. Outline of the discussion. First of all, we should know what is basic aim to learn management accounting. Then we want to introduce management accounting, meaning of management accounting, nature of management accounting, role of management accounting, tools and techniques of management accounting, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of management accounting. Concept: the subject management accounting is concerned with higher authority or top level management. This subject or this management accounting useful for taking managerial decision. Hence, this subject helps to understand basic concept of management accounting, to understand the application of accounting techniques for management, to know the tools and techniques of management accounting, to know use of management accounting for stakeholder. These are learning objective of discussion. You may refer syllabus of this paper, this subject. First of all, we want to introduce management accounting. Management accounting is field of accounting which deals with providing information to the managers for their use in planning, decision making, performance evaluation, control, management of cost and financial reporting. It is concerned with accounting information which is useful to management. Management accounting, also called managerial accounting or cost accounting. Management accounting is the process of analysis, interpretation and presentation of accounting information collected with the help of financial accounting and cost accounting. Management accounting related to higher authority, that is top level management for the managerial decision making. Meaning of management accounting. The concept management accounting means is the presentation of accounting information in such a way so as to assist management in the creation of policy and in the day-to-day operation of an undertaking. This definition helpful to understand concept of management accounting. Next, what are the objectives of management accounting? To assist management and promotional policy and efficiency, to arrange the systematic allocation of responsibility for the implementation of plan and budget, to collect information and data from various departments, to analyze and prepare financial report. For this purpose, we want to learn management accounting. Features of management accounting: it is separate branch of accounting. It is prescribed account. There is no prescribed format for the preparing report. It is only a technique adopted by management to derive information. It's depend upon informational needs of the management. It is mainly concerned managerial decision making. Nature of management accounting: it is branch of knowledge. It is, we may say, science and arts. It is extension of cost accounting and it is profession. Scope of management accounting. Management accounting collect information from various departments. That's why we can say management accounting concerned with financial accounting, cost accounting, statistics, operational research, organization methods, budgetary control, law, taxation, internal auditing, management information system, capital budgeting and investment decision, etc. That's why we can say investment accounting have wide scope. Function of management accounting: to record the data, check validity of data, interpretation of data, reporting of the data, installation of sound accounting system, providing feedback to the higher top level management, evaluating the performance of management. These are the function of management accounting. In management accounting, we may use different tools and techniques, that is vertical financial statement analysis, means we may prepare horizontal financial statement, and when we prepare horizontal financial statement, there have some limitation for the analysis and presenting financial data. That's why we may use vertical financial statement analysis. Then we may use techniques as a ratio analysis, fund and cash flow statement analysis, working capital management, cost accounting, statistical techniques, auditing, capital budgeting, budgetary control, and all these tools and techniques we may use for the analyzing financial statement and preparing the reports. Role of management accountant: to maintain adequate record, all contract and lease, to prepare budget and its all process, to prepare an interpretation all statistical records and report of corporation, the costing and all physical inventory is there. We may compliances, there are some compliances, we may fulfill some compliances, we want to prepare financial report and all required report and present to the stakeholders. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may discuss introduction of management accounting, objective of management accounting, nature and scope of management accounting, tools and techniques of management accounting, and finally, it is stated that management accounting closely related to take managerial decision by higher authority. It may use different tools and technique for the preparing financial report and analyzing financial data, and finally prepare report and present to the stakeholders or management for the taking managerial decision. That's why finally we can say management accounting useful for the improve performance and efficiency of overall organization. That's why as a commerce student or as a management student, we want to learn subject management accounting. You may refer some book related to financial management or management accounting, and if you have any doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divipyan, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My mobile number 9049081926. Email ID is there, paresh84jan@redipmail.com. Thank you.